The Edge Estimator is the perfect estimating solution for painting contractors. Bids can be divided into different sections. There can be a page in the Edge Estimator for every plan, and anything can be painted. Walls, chair rails, crown molding, baseboards, wood doors, metal frames, ceilings, the list goes on, and even wall coverings can be applied. These conditions can be measured with a high degree of accuracy on the takeoff screen in the Edge. The takeoff screen itself is designed to work alongside the main program on another monitor. The Edge Estimator makes it easy and highly accurate to measure your takeoff. After your takeoff has been completed, you'll go back to the main program where you will go to the material pricing screen and you will make sure you enter the correct material prices for this bid. Once the material prices have been entered, they can be sent to the database so that they will be there for future bids. Then you will go to the labor screen to adjust your production rates on your labor lines. Once your production rates have been adjusted, they too can be sent to the database so that the production rates will be there for future bids. Next, you'll go to the recap screen to adjust your markups if they need to be adjusted. They can be adjusted on a job-by-job basis, or they can be set as defaults in the database. Notice your overall selling price and the total square foot of surface for this job. Then come the reports. In painting, we have a paint room by room schedule that shows how much paint you'll need for each room. Among other reports, there is a paint totals report that shows the total material and labor for each surface being measured, along with other reports. After you have submitted and won this bid, it comes time to actually work this job. You'll be able to access all of the information about each individual floor simply by marking it. You can see the material prices for that floor, the labor for that floor, the recap, the overall selling price of that floor, and the reports for that floor. You can mark each individual one as you go. Another great feature in the Edge Estimator is called zones on the takeoff screen. Your takeoff can be zoned into individual parts so that you can look at the material pricing for an individual zone or the projected labor for an individual zone or the recap, the overall selling price of that individual zone, even reports for the individual zone. To learn more about the Edge Estimator, please contact the salesperson for your area. You can dial the main number to the Estimating Edge at 561 276 9100. Thank you for watching.